Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So in this video, I will give you a tutorial step by step how to cleaning laptop. The tool that we need are microfiber, nibs and cotton swab, water spray, and the last is cleaning brush. So let's check it out to the tutorial. Let's go. Okay, so the first step is turn off the laptop. Before cleaning, make sure your laptop is power off and unplugged from any power source to prevent any electrical issues. You can using shortcut Windows X and W for the shutdown. After that, you can wiping the screen. Use a soft microfiber. Likely dampen it with water or alcohol. Then, gently wipe the screen in a vertical motion from top to bottom. And the third step is cleaning the keyboard. You can using a brush to clean between the keyboard and the dirt sticks to it. And then you can wipe the keyboard using a microfiber. After that, clean the port. Clean the between the ports that have dirt on the laptop using a cotton swab and nib. And the last step is wipe the exterior. Use a microfiber cloth with water. Okay guys, maybe that's all tutorial from me. Thank you for watching and your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.